Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Centrifuge token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Centrifuge is a decentralized protocol that bridges traditional finance with decentralized finance DeFi by tokenizing real-world assets to provide liquidity and financing purpose. It enables businesses to tokenize assets like invoices and real estate to access DeFi liquidity bypassing traditional banks technology. It operates as a multi-chain Ethereum virtual machine EVM native protocol, having migrated from its own blockchain to network like Ethereum Base and Avalanche. Token utility: the CFG token is used for on-chain governance, allowing holders to vote on protocol upgrades and strategic decisions. Centrifuge is a decentralized assets financing protocol. It connects decentralized finance DeFi with real-world assets RWAs while trying to lower the cost of capital for small and mid-sized enterprises SMEs and provide investors with a stable source of income. The main goal of the project is to generate profit that are not tied to volatile crypto assets. The developers are pursuing the task of transferring real monetary value from the fiat to cryptocurrencies. Companies are using Centrifuge to access the liquidity that DeFi has to offer. They can tokenize real assets and use these tokens as collateral to access financing through Tinlake, a decentralized application DApp lending protocol. The Centrifuge blockchain is built on the Polkadot for seed and low fees, while its financial Tinkle is built on access Ethereum liquidity. Centrifuge provides liquidity to everyone, and investors receive income and rewards in the form of CFG tokens. Centrifuge links assets such as invoices, real estate, and royalties with decentralized finance. Additionally, borrowers benefit from the fact that they can finance their real assets without banks or other intermediaries. Centrifuge token total supply is 680 million and circulating supply is around 577 million CFG token. CFG token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, OKX, KuCoin, BingX, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.